You guys know what else we gotta make three-dimensional? Ooh, that's good. That's nice. I like it. Oh, Procreate. What's up, guys? How you doing? In this video, we're gonna be making your drawings desirable. So with my recent roast videos, I've noticed there was a theme with my audience. Everybody seems to be thirsty, and I decided instead of letting that drive me insane, I'm going to embrace it. So welcome aboard the thirst train today, where we're going to be drawing some desirable characters. First things first, I asked you guys in my Patreon Discord server to put in some pieces that you're not entirely happy with, and by the end of it, we'll make your drawing desirable. And look at the amount of pieces, my goodness. It doesn't end. Oh my god. Oh, it does end. Okay. Because we have so many pieces, I think it's best if we just start from the top. This is Rain. She's supposed to be an ethereal being that can't move on from limbo. I think she looks too much like Sailor Moon. She does, yeah. Also, she's not supposed to look like a child. She's an adult. Okay, well, I thought she was a child at first. You know what, man? That's a cool design. You got some interesting things going on here. I think we can make this character desirable. All right, moving on. Something about her face looks off. Well, not just her face, man. And her hair looks super stiff. I don't think that's the biggest of your issues. Now, I'm just gonna tell you, I don't know what her story is. I don't know if she's been through a horrible accident, but there's a lot of things wrong with her. And right now, she is not certified desirable. So this is something we can work with, right? She's got potential, but you know, she just looks off. I mean, you're not wrong. I think it's the angle of the chin and the mouth. It makes her face look indented, like somebody just took something and just whoosh. Oh my god. Guys, this is, I made this one. The story behind this piece is, once upon a time, I asked people to submit their OCs for a YouTube video, and this person defile it, and desecrate his face with, so let's hop over to Procreate. Real being, but she just looks like a child doing cosplay right now. So we have to do something about that. Let's take this character design, and let's try to make her desirable. First thing you're gonna see us do here is put down a cranium, okay? The anatomy is very important. You guys should try something a little bit more original, huh? What is that? Okay, I guess we... All right, and now flipping the canvas around, and of course, she's all lopsided. Maybe I can't draw desirable characters. All right, so now flipping that back, I think this is something we can work with. Let's turn this layer into multiply. Let's add a new layer, and now we're gonna start adding colors. Colors! This is what's gonna make the piece pop. As always, guys, we're not trying to take like 3 hours per piece. We're just here to get the idea across, okay? Just as long as you look at these pieces and you're like, all right, guys, so you see here we have all of our base colors down. Now I'm going to show you guys a cool trick. If you've seen my other videos before, you've probably seen this, but ooh, shadow. This allows you to paint shadows onto your character really, really easily. Can't believe I'm giving into this. It's actually looking really good. I think this is a really good movement. Now, if you want to make your characters look desirable, there are some things that you have to focus on. For example, the qualities of desirability might be a little bit different from men, but we'll get to that. It's wonderful, but you know what? We have to get to the elephants in the room. Now, obviously, because this is more of a sketch than a fully rendered painting, we're not adding in as much details as we normally would if we were taking our time with this. But okay, guys. There we go. That looks pretty good. Her shoulder is self-explanatory. We're not only gonna fix those things, but we're also gonna make this character look desirable. So let's, drawing today so far, they're all really pale. She's giving me like K-pop vibes. So we're gonna go with a lighter pastel kind of color. All right, excellent. Shadows are looking good. Ooh, look at the red on the lips. That we see. It's the way you apply your colors. Mistakes, in that case, don't panic. Pay you some respects. And if you missed our January rim light tutorial on Patreon and you need help with this, which you probably do, see, I'm using this rim light to just draw more attention to the shoulder, to kind of rub it in, you know? They're getting progressively more desirable. And the boobas. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to do like a mix between the two characters and their character traits. Okay, there, that looks pretty good. The folk basically everywhere else. Okay, bro, honestly, I think that's good enough for the face. Who's looking at her face anyways? Him. So Okay, so we have to do, there we go guys, there's our Canadian lumberjack mommy. Okay, so these just got progressively worse. Okay, so the first one's pretty tame, and then you, okay, we're getting a little bit frisky, and all right. All right, so that was an absolute adventure, but I don't want to end it there just yet. Let's do our friend here, okay? Let's make him desirable again. First things first, we gotta give him some hair. All right, let's remove his wrinkles, give him a chiseled jaw. There we go. Oh yeah, look at the, oh, okay. Wow. Now glasses are not desirable. I'm sorry if you wear glasses. I probably need glasses too, but they're not desirable. If you are a wearer of glasses in real life, do better. And for the lips, let's make him like, wow, look at the structure on that. This is turning out really nice. Truly one of a kind. This is stunning. And there we go. All right, guys, so look at that. I finished what I started. I faced my responsibilities. I made him desirable again. So guys, let me know which character that we drew today was the most desirable. Is it this beautiful man right here? Is it this fairy angel thing? Is it this seductive hair woman? Or is it the Canadian lumberjack mommy? Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel right now to drive me further down the path of insanity. With all that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye. Please get out of here. Guys, these videos are getting ridiculous. Like at first we were just yassifying, and now, oh my god, what have I done? Oh.